Hi everyone, welcome back to MDC Beauty / my special effects makeup corner. So today's video is going to be obviously the War of Hogwarts, a Hufflepuff student from the war. Now the concept that I was thinking about for this makeup is that this Hufflepuff student was going up against Death Eaters and she had a Bombarda blast and it came at her and she went underneath the rubble and someone had to pull her out, or got out herself, but more than likely someone had to pull her out. But this is just what I thought up, and I used everything from Bowitzki. I will link the special effects makeup kit down below so you guys can see. And I know that it's been taking me a while to make a video. I pulled something in my back and I was out for like a week, so I'm here and I'm doing this finally, and I like how it turned out. I really didn't want to get any blood on my uniform, I'm not gonna lie, or this look would have been a lot crazier, but I only have one uniform. So that being said, if you guys want to see how I did the War of Hogwarts, a Hufflepuff student, keep on watching.